Hi friends, welcome to Diva's Nest. Hope you're all doing good and safe. So today we are going to make rava cupcakes, and if you're watching our channel for the first time and if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and support us. So let's get started with the video.
So today we are going to make
a cupcake using rava. 1 cup of rava. This is half cup of powdered sugar, half cup of curd. It is in room temperature. Then we have around 3/4 cup of milk, and then around 3 tablespoon of oil. Then we need to take around half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And here I am taking pineapple essence. So you can take vanilla essence too. And then we need to add a teaspoon of vinegar also. So let's get started. It's a very simple process and very quick. We'll take a mixie jar. We don't need a blender or a whisk or an electric blender. Nothing required. We'll take a mixie jar. Into this we will add the 1 cup rava into this. Okay. So this is not roasted. Into this we are adding what, Eva?
powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar. Okay. So half cup of powdered sugar. Then we are adding half cup of curd. Okay. Add. So we have taken 3/4 cup milk. Now what we need to do is blend it well. Now this has been mixed well. Now we need to allow this to rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. As you know, the consistency is very thin now, but the rava will absorb the moisture and it will become thicker. So now after 20 minutes, you can see now it is a thick consistency. So at this stage, we can add the next ingredients. So next we are going to add the oil. So here we have taken around 3 tablespoons of oil. So this is refined oil. You can add butter too if you like the flavor. And then we need to teaspoon of baking powder. Baking powder teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. Close. Vanilla essence. So instead of vanilla essence, what we have taken here today?
Papaya essence. Pineapple essence.
Essence. So here around 2-3 drops of pineapple essence. Okay. Then we will add a pinch of salt into this.
Vinegar.
1 teaspoon of vinegar. Okay. Now we need to blend all this together once again. So I'll just blend this and get it. So the batter is ready now. This is the consistency which we are looking at. So now we can start baking. So here we are baking in both ways, one in the oven and one on stove top also. So for the oven, I've taken the baking tray. So I do not have the cupcake liners. Still we can go ahead. I have just placed a butter paper right at the bottom, and then we can start pouring the batter into each mold, and we just have to remove the air bubbles, and then we can start the baking. We need to preheat the oven at 180 degree for 10 minutes. And now at this stage you can go ahead and bake, but we are also adding some topping. Here I am adding some tutti frutti and some choco chips. So if you prefer to, you can go ahead. And this is to keep on this stove top. So I have taken a silicone mold and added some batter into it. Same process. Now in the oven I am baking it at 150 degree for 20 minutes. On stove top, keep a heavy bottom pan, and once it is hot, you can keep the flame on low to medium and keep the cake tin into it, and then cover it up with the lid, and then allow it to bake for at least 30 minutes. Okay, then it will be ready. Here in the oven you can see the cake has started rising. It is rising evenly, looking very beautiful. So need to prick it and see. Nothing is coming out, no? It is well cooked. Now we should wait for it to cool down. It's very hot, so we will wait. So the cake is ready. It's totally cooled down, and we can demold it easily. So only the butter paper which is at the bottom we need to remove. And here you can see it is so soft. It is well cooked on all sides, and at the same time it looks crispy too in the corners. It's very nice. It's a very nice tasty evening snack along with tea, and inside also it is fluffy and soft. And hope you all like this dish. Please to try it. Very few ingredients, no blender or no other items required in regular case. So this is the one which we baked on stove top. So this also will get easily removed since it is silicone mold, and under that you can see below it is come out crispy, and it is also fluffy and very tasty cake. So hope you all liked it and enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.